Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical washing machine, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from washing machines, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best washing machines from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Comfy 24-inch Washer and Dryer Combo 2.7 cubic feet 26 ounces Washing Machine. Steam Care. Say goodbye to laundromat trips and hello to convenience with the Comfy 24-inch Washer and Dryer Combo. This is 2.7 cubic feet. A space-saving laundry powerhouse is perfect for small homes, apartments, and bathrooms. With a 26 lb washing and 13 lb drying capacity, it handles your daily laundry needs with ease. Equipped with Steam Care to reduce wrinkles and odors, it's designed for both hygiene and convenience. Use the overnight wash and dry feature to have fresh clothes ready the next morning. No need to transfer loads. Multiple wash settings like wool, quick wash, pre-wash, and child lock give you total control, while the inverter motor boosts energy efficiency and minimizes noise. Built for durability and performance, this ventless combo unit saves both space and energy without compromising power. Whether you're tight on space or just want laundry day to be easier, the Comfy Washer-Dryer Combo is your all-in-one solution for clean, dry clothes at home. Number 2. COSTWAY 110-volt electric portable tub laundry dryer, automatic drying mode. Washing machine. Looking for a space-saving, efficient drying solution? The COSTWAY 110-volt electric portable laundry dryer is the perfect choice for small apartments, dorm rooms, or tight laundry areas. Weighing just 37.3 pounds, this compact and freestanding dryer is easy to move and can be wall-mounted or placed on a rack. Despite its size, it packs a punch with 850 watt of drying power and a 10-pound capacity, making it ideal for daily use. The stainless steel drum adds durability, while multiple drying modes, cool, warm, hot, air dry, and anti-wrinkle, let you tailor each load to your needs. Whether you're drying bulky items or refreshing clothes, this dryer has you covered. It operates quietly, so it won't disturb your sleep or conversations, and its energy-efficient design means you can stay eco-friendly while staying dry. Say goodbye to damp laundry, even on rainy days, and hello to the perfect portable dryer solution with COSTWAY's trusted performance and design. Number 3. SMETA All-In Washer and Dryer Combo 2.7 cubic feet, 24-inch dryer compact for apartment home. Looking for a compact laundry solution that fits perfectly into small spaces? The SMETA All-In Loo Washer and Dryer Combo is the perfect fit for apartments, RVs, dorms, and more. With a 2.7 cubic feet capacity and a sleek 24-inch design, this unit combines powerful washing and drying in one space-saving machine. It features 16 wash/dry programs to handle everything from cotton and silk to bulky loads and baby clothes. The intuitive knob controls make operations simple, while advanced features like child lock, quick wash, and adjustable spin speed and water temperature offer ultimate flexibility. Its 1400 RPM high spin speed ensures efficient cleaning and drying, and the heat pump drying technology keeps temperatures below 120 degrees Fahrenheit to protect your clothes while saving energy. Whether you're washing daily wear or delicate fabrics, this combo machine makes laundry easy and efficient. Just remove the transport bolts before use, and you're ready to enjoy the convenience of in-home laundry. No laundromat trips required. Number 4. Black Decker 0.9 cubic feet. Portable washing machine for homes and apartments. 5. Wash cycles. Experience the ultimate in compact laundry convenience with the Black Decker 0.9 cubic feet. Portable washing machine, perfect for apartments, dorms, and small homes. With 5 wash cycles, including heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, this top-loading washer gives you full control over your laundry. Designed for cold water use only, it offers 3 water level options for small, medium, or large loads up to 6.6 loads of milk. The rust-resistant stainless steel tub and quiet close transparent lid let you watch your laundry in action. Plus, safety features like auto shut-off, unbalanced detection, and child lock ensure peace of mind. Lightweight at just 48.4 lbs, it's easy to move with built-in rollers and side handles. No agitator means it's gentle on delicates and baby clothes. Includes drain hose and quick connect sink adapter for easy setup. Reinforced packaging and compact dimensions make this washer a must-have for hassle-free cleaning at home. Say goodbye to laundromats with this reliable, space-saving laundry solution. Number 5. Nictemaw Portable Washing Machine 2.8 cubic feet. Washer and dryer combo with drain pump. Say hello to effortless laundry days with a Nictemaw 2.8 cubic feet portable washer and dryer combo. A space-saving, fully automatic machine perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, and small homes. With a 20 pills capacity and turbo wash technology, it delivers a powerful clean while saving time and energy. The smart LED control panel offers 10 wash programs and 8 water levels, all at your fingertips. Use the 24-hour delay start, child lock, and tub self-clean for added convenience and peace of mind. Its built-in drain pump and extended hose make drainage easy, even in elevated spaces. The transparent lid, quiet operation, and energy-efficient motor add extra functionality to your routine. Plus, the honeycomb stainless steel drum protects fabrics while the auto-unbalance detection ensures stability. Easy to install and built with mobility in mind, this compact dark gray washer is a powerful laundry solution wrapped in a modern design. Ditch the laundromat. Wash smarter with Nictemaw. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.